Today we will install Composer in Ubuntu 22.04. Let us first check if we have Composer in our operating system. Please open your terminal and type Composer and click enter. It says Composer is not found, but we can install it with this command. Select and right click and copy and here paste and click enter. Give your password and click enter. Now it will install Composer. Installation process is complete and let us check for Composer. Type Composer, click enter. You see the Composer logo here and it is now installed in your system, and here you have help for all the commands. Thanks everyone.